Hi everyone, welcome to Ekascloud again. In my previous video, I explained about the Azure redundant storage. Now I'm going to discuss about another similar services available in Azure, which is called object replication. So object replication is actually a service where we can asynchronously copies block blobs between a source storage account and a destination storage account. So in the Azure redundant storage, what we did is we were trying to save the whole data which we have in our source storage account or our main storage account in different regions or different zones or even within the same data center. But here what we are doing is we will be choosing a certain blob or file which we need to save in other regions. So that is the main difference between the geo replication or the and the object replication. So you might be able to understand the concept by seeing this uh, diagram. So here these are the blobs and we just want to save this blob, not the account, to a different account in a different region. So for that we will have to create two different storage accounts in two different regions. So if you let me take my first storage account I created. So here the location is East US. So I'm going to create a different storage account in a different region. So let me create one more storage account. And also for that we need to create a different resource group too. So let it be Krish RG2. And I'm going to choose West US and then locally redundant storage and create. In the meantime, we can create a container in the first storage account. Let it be East container and create. So I created a Word document here and I'm going to upload this file into this container. Okay, that is done. And then okay, so let's go to the other storage account and I'm going to create one container here. but I'm not going to save any file into that container because Azure will do that job for me if I'm using this object replication. So let it be West container and container and then create. So that is done. Now let's go to the first storage account and go to object replication. You have to remember one thing, that always we have to use the storage account, use the object replication icon in the from the storage account, which will be our source storage account. So here Sambhara is my source account, and Sambhara 2 will be my destination account. So I chose Sambhara, and then I went to this object replication, and here I need to use this icon, create replication rules. So the destination storage account will be Sambhara 2, and then source container will be East container, and destination container will be West container. And then here I need to change from one only new objects to everything, because only new objects means it will only save those files or objects which we are creating after setting up this replication, object replication. So I want to save the previously saved object into the new region. So I'm going with the everything, and then save and create. So it will take some time for this enabling process to get it done. So let's wait for that. So I was able to make the replication successfully. So this is the destination account and source container, destination container. Now let's go to our destination account and check whether we have the file we saved in the source container saved in the destination container. So this is the destination container, and okay, I think it needs some more time to see the blob here. Maybe we can wait for some more time. Okay, so it's been like 2-3 minutes now. So let's go to the destination container one more time. And yes, the item we created in the source container has been saved in the destination container. So West container is the destination container, and if you go to Sambhara instead of Sambhara 2, you will be able to see the source container. So both the containers now have the same document. So this is the concept of object replication, where we'll be able to save a certain file or object from a source container or a source account to a destination account. I hope you like this video. Thank you.